Well, hey there, friends. It's late, so I'm gonna make this real short and sweet. Long day, 20 miles, 19.96, doesn't matter, same thing to me. Very long day. Did not have, I have some heel pain in my right heel. My blisters were pretty much okay, but this heel pain's got me worried now. People are dropping like flies everywhere. You see it and you hear about it. I'm at an okay campsite. There's a lot of granite, so I'm worried about it tearing stuff up. So I'm gonna be really careful. And yeah, I'm just gonna roll out my feet a little bit, massage it, stretch, go to bed. I've already eaten. Good is that I got my big miles in today, big miles tomorrow. So I gotta get up and get around tomorrow morning. But it's mostly downhill. Bad is that my feet hurt and I don't know if it's gonna go away. Oh, good. I talked to a guy named Frederick from Sweden, and he and I got along pretty well. So I might have tomorrow a hiking buddy, or at least a camping buddy, because we're probably gonna camp at the same spot. And then boring is, well, just doing the miles and the heat. I'm tired of the heat. Today wasn't the worst day, but I'm tired of the heat. So anyway, that's it. Gonna keep it nice and light. So thanks everyone for watching this. If you do, psychiatric motivation is waning. I need some support from my wife, and she's giving it, so that's great. A little bit like over. I'm like, oh, okay, this is kind of tedious, but this is where I just kind of gotta get broken into the process, I guess. But I'm not like really depressed. I'm just, just kind of like, a little lower self-esteem, and I don't know if I can make it. I don't know. So if I'm gonna be able to do this. So anyway, that is my report. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Oh, it's day 10, by the way. So day 10. See you in the next video, if there is a next video. Thanks, Andrew.